Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to run faster Windows 7. On my laptop I have the two programs to help me how to run Windows 7 faster more than before. This one CCleaner and two TurnUp. So today I want to show you how to run faster Windows 7 step by step. The first I want to show you the step 1. First time we go to start and we type run and enter, and then we type prefix and then we enter. So we see all the file hits one. So and then we select one file and then we select Control A, and then we select Shift and delete X. Yes, all the file pending one we are delete it already. And then the second step we go to start also, and then we type the word run and enter. This one we delete and then type the new one 100 TEMP 100 and then enter. So we see a lot of things in this side. That means all the pending file. So we select one file and then we Control A and then we delete it. We can type save and then delete. We have 30 items file that are pending. So we delete it. Yes. Continue. Skip. This file cannot delete. That means maybe important in the Windows, so we don't care about it. Yes. Then the step 3, we go to my computer and then we go to try C and then we property, okay, and then we go to this clean up. We waiting little bit. Okay, so we saw already here all the file. We can delete one. Okay, we have 219 MB, so we delete it. Okay, delete file. That means all the file in the locked disk C on Windows. That means all this file is pending on Windows, so we must clean it every week or every month. Okay, after this we go into local disk C also, and then we property, we go to tool and then we check now. We check this one also. We start. This one we checking this local disk C. This my computer every month and every week I will always checking it. If your computer you never check it, maybe they check this very long time one. So for my computer maybe the faster one. Because a bit. Yes, already. Okay, now we start to use the system on my window to clean everything. So we use the C cleaner and then we analyze. Uh, so everyone every day we open the Explorer, open the Firefox, Chrome, maybe depending upon all. So we run cleaners. Yes, we must run cleaner more. When you see this one zero, now we see 319 396 MB. So we run cleaner more. Okay, now we see zero already. After that we register, we scan for issue. Okay, after that we pick select issue. We wait, no. After that we pick all select issue. Yes. Okay, already. Next step we go to turn up maintenance. This program help us to turn up my computer about the clean registry, automatic determine registry, remove broken socket, clean up window of program, clean up browser, optime system start up and shut down, and last one determine hard disk. Yes. Af- After after he scan already everything is so in there the red color. So the program can pitch all anything program in the computer. So this is the program last one maybe is used for a long time to check everything. Now we see clean registry have 19 program pounds 19 program pound here, maybe the file for clean registry this program. and we see this one, clean up window and program, also 7 item found. And then we see more, the clean up browser have the 52 item found. Okay, now we run maintenance ready, so we must to fix all it. See, you run maintenance. Okay, we finish ready. So after we do the step by step like this, my computer now running faster more than before. Thank you for all watching my video. Please like and share it to your friends. Thank you very much.